I was just inspecting the axle to make sure it wasn't broken. Because you see this corn up here? Yeah, that's what happens when you hit a groundhog hole and the tank is full. Yeah, I hit that groundhog hole, didn't know it was there, and this tire here went down and hit that hole. The corn came rolling over the top and down here and scared the heck out of me. I was still shelling corn because I could still get a little bit more in there. So I wasn't going that fast, maybe about 3 miles an hour, but I'm lucky that axle did not break and throw everything down on the ground, but it did not. As you can see, well, yeah, corn on top of there too. But as you can see, it's cloudy today. So yesterday evening, we had about a 1/4 inch of rain. So I had the truck loaded yesterday evening, took that up to Purdue this morning. They actually had 1 2/10 inches up there. So I got back here, excuse me, and it was still a bit damp, so I wasn't in a hurry to get in the field. It was a little bit of drizzle, so I didn't start until about 12 o'clock, so I'm not finishing this farm today. But these clouds have really gotten dark in the last, probably in the last hour, but there's no rain on the radar, no thunder that I hear, unlike yesterday. So hopefully it's not going to rain. But yeah, there's some dark clouds around here. Okay, enough talking. Let me get on here and have at it. Try to avoid that groundhog hole this time. I was going up these 6 rows here, and it's somewhere over here. Oh yeah, I see it. See the corn on the ground? Yep, that is the hole. That was a bad one. It was a beautiful sunrise down on the bay this morning. I think I got a couple of good pictures down there. But yeah, just a nice sunrise, a few clouds, breeze going, much less humidity. But hey, let's finish shelling this corn. Enough of the pictures and looking at the sun. Let's shell some corn and get her done today. I'm a frog murderer. Yeah, this rear screen is all stopped up. I thought it was maybe some morning glory vines, but no. As I'm looking, these are frogs. And there's a lot of them here. I have never seen this before. But it's just chock full of them. Frog legs. Well, there's not much there, but this is crazy. And they are packed in there tight. The elevator hasn't said anything about foreign matter in this corn. So I guess the screens are doing their job and not letting the frogs in. That's just crazy, all those frogs. corn harvest I have had concerning yields. Haven't done the final numbers yet, but I think we are going to average over 180 bushels to the acre. So for our land and the way we manage this, that is pretty darn good, so I am not complaining. There's the caretaker bush hogging up here on the farm. My bin is full, and I've got my bin at the farm is full. Almost 6,000 bushels in that. I've got 25 bushels here. I've got about 350 bushels in the truck. So it looks like I'm going to Purdue in the morning with not a full load of corn, but with corn. And then I will be done with the corn harvest. And we'll switch over, get everything ready for soybeans. Hopefully by the middle of next week, I think they'll be ready. That's the game plan anyway. So I'm gonna wrap everything up here, clean up, drop the header, pull that down the road. I've got the small tractor, the small John Deere, and the skid steer. Got to put that on the gooseneck and take that down the road. Then I think I will bring the bush hog and tractor up here, switch, and then take the combine home. That's my game plan at the moment. Okay, but that's all, folks. See ya! Okay, what I'm going to try to do is load both the skid steer and the small John Deere tractor on this trailer, so I only have to make one trip. Let's see how that goes. I think what I'm going to do, I'll pull the skid steer ahead a couple more inches. That way, since these tires aren't quite up on there, I can pull the tractor ahead a little bit more, sit that block right behind that tire, and I think I will be good. Might be a little bit of a load on there. I'm not sure how much that John Deere weighs, but I know the skid steer weighs about 8,000 pounds. This is a 16,000 pound trailer, so I'm good. I just got a little more weight on the tongue than I'd like to have. All right, it's loaded on there, and we're ready to go south. I wonder if I should have taken the header cart there and hooked on to the back of this tractor, and I could have pulled everything down the road. No, I better not take my chances. That Ram may not make it up the hill, pulling all of that going out of this driveway. So yeah, we'll just stick with this. I can come back and get that anytime. And that's a wrap. See ya!